If you have a 2015 to 2020 Honda Fit, also known as the generation GK5 Honda Fit, I'm going to show you the best phone mounting solution for your Fit. You're first going to need to start with a ProClip item number 855056. If you're not familiar with ProClip, ProClip makes custom mounting solutions for your vehicle. And for the Fit, the ProClip's solution is to mount into the passenger side dash. It wedges in between two plastic pieces, hence the little wedges here. And what they provide you is a gap opener tool. You're gonna wedge open a little plastic part. You're gonna slide this in, remove the gap opener, and the plastic pieces in the vehicle will clamp this down on the top and the bottom. So it's a very, very OEM solution and ensures that this is not going to go anywhere, and it's always reversible. This is a universal phone mount from a company called PanaVise. This is item number 15575. If you notice, this has an amps adapter plate. And if you take a look at the ProClip, there's 6 mounting holes. These 6 mounting holes are compatible with any amps adapter or amps phone mount. It's this amps adapter plate that comes with PanaVise, screws in like so. And once it's screwed in, take your phone mount, you slide it up, and of course it's going to be screwed in, so the finished product is going to look something like this. The universal phone mount is actually pretty good. One touch and it opens up all the arms. So you can fit a pretty large phone or very small tablet. And to demonstrate, I'm going to show you this iPhone 8 here. Slide it in there, close the arms, and I'm going to demonstrate. Let's pretend my hand is a ProClip. You notice this is not going to go anywhere. If you want to take it out, you can just slide upwards. If you want to put it back in, you can just put it down. Or you can press the button on the side here, one touch, and it opens up. Out it comes. Again, this is what it's going to look like once it's screwed in. So let's go ahead and jump in the Fit and I'll show you how to install this. So now we're in the Honda Fit, and ProClip advises that you install it somewhere in this corner here. And this is what it's going to look like. So this top half, the top clip here, is going to clip into this little gap, and this bottom is going to clip into this bottom gap down here. But I wanted to show you how to use this gap opener. Into this gap opener, you're going to just shove it into there. It's going to create a gap just large enough for it to clip in, and we're going to snap it in. So this is the final product after everything's been installed. As you can see, it clips right in here in between the little gaps of the plastic. And then it also attaches via the gap right underneath the glove box here. And this mount is very, very solid. It's not going anywhere. So I'm gonna go ahead and attach the iPhone 8 that I had earlier. So I'm gonna push the button to open up the clamps. See the clearance? It's very good. It's not touching. Go ahead and drop the iPhone 8 in here. Slam that shut. It's not going anywhere. If I want to take it out, just slide it up. If I want to put it back, just slide it back down. Then I can attach a lightning cable at the bottom there. That's solid on there. And that's the finished product. Driver's side view. Everything is easy. Very easy to touch. Your visibility is not affected. It's a very OEM plus install.